Hello everybody, I'm Jyrki Raina. A warm greeting of solidarity from IndustriALL Global Union, which represents 50 million workers in energy, mining and manufacturing industries in 140 countries. All over the world, IndustriALL is campaigning for a living wage. I can't believe that in Europe, in Britain, a government is refusing to take measures to guarantee that its citizens can live on their salaries. Growing inequality is destroying our societies. While we raise low pay, we have to limit executive bonuses and we have to make sure that the super rich and multinational companies pay their fair share of taxes. IndustriALL supports your campaign. The world needs a pay rise and Britain must take the lead. Global solidarity forever.